Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you are fine. As we have learned the Arabic alphabets, all their similarities and the confusion, now the next step is to learn harkaat. What are harkaat? In the Arabic language, the harkaat, singular harkat, are the vowels that create a short movement of sound. When the harkat is applied to a letter, it shows how the letter should be read inside a word. Without these harkats or vowels, we can't read Arabic alphabets or Arabic words, so they are very important. Alhamdulillah, as far as Quranic study is concerned, everything is clearly marked so we can read it without making any mistake. Short vowels. Harkat represent short vowel sound in the Arabic language. We start with the short vowel and they are fatha, moves the sound up, a. Kasra, moves the sound down, e. Dhamma, moves the sound round, oo. Those of you who are good with the Urdu language would recognize fatha as zabar, kasra as zir, and dhamma as pesh. Although their name appears different, their functionality is similar in both languages. These are for who are from Indian subcontinent. You call this zabar, zir, pesh. Who can use whichever when you are familiar with, but there are Arabic for these: fatha, kasra, dhamma. Mud letters, the long vowels. Mud means to stretch a sound, and there are three mud letters which are alif, waw and ya. We know that a single harkat is a short movement of sound, but when this sound is stretched twice, it becomes a mud. So technically, a mud is equal to two harkat, be it fatha, kasra or dhamma. When there is a dhamma or pesh before waw sakin, we stretch it for two counts and it is called waw mad. When there is a fatha, zabar before alif, we stretch it for two counts and it is called alif mad. When there is a kasra before ya sakin, we stretch it for two counts and it is called ya mad. Today we will learn about Tanween. Along with short and long vowel, there are other markings that are very important for Quranic Arabic reading. One of them is Tanween. Term of writing Tanween is basically doubling of the short vowel mark. It only appears at the end of the words. It is written by the doubling of a single vowel sign. It is read with the N sound referred to as the nonation sound or gunna. So first we have Tanween with dhamma, pesh, that is on sound at the end. By doubling of the dhamma, we are reading noon sakin at the end, noon with sukoon. You can see like over here, muslimatun. At the end there is two dhamma sign that is known as tanween with dhamma, and when you pronounce it, it appear as noon sakin, muslimatun, on sound at the end. Then we have tanween with fatha, zabar, that is unsound at the end. By doubling of fatha, we are reading noon sakin at the end, noon with sukoon. Muslimatan, and when you pronounce, if you want to write it, it is known as noon sakin at the end. You can see over here, muslimatan. Then we have the last tanween with kasra, zair, that is N sound at the end. By doubling of the kasra, we read noon sakin at the end, noon sukoon. Muslimatin. Muslimatin. N sound at the end. An, in, un. Ban, bin, bun. Tan, tin, tun. San, sin, sun. Jan, jin, jun. Han, hin, hun. Hun, hin, hun. Dan, din, dun. Zan, zin, zun. Run, rin, run. Zan, zin, zun. Sun, sin, sun. Shun, shin, shun. Son, sin, sun. Don, din, dun. Ton, tin, dun. Zun, zin, zun. An, ein, on. Ghun, ghin, ghun. Fun, fin, fun. Qun, qin, qun. Kan, kin, kun. Lan, lin, lun. Man, min, mun. Nan, nin, nun. Hun, hin, hun. One, win, one. Yan, yin, yin. These are the odd Arabic alphabets or haruful hija or haruf tahajji with tanween. I hope you have learned it. Barakallahu fi. Jazakallah khair for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, share and comment.